I'm Grace, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Jacob's Ladder, which is a type of crepuscular ray. So, crepuscular rays occur in stratocumulus clouds and cumulus clouds, and the ones that occur in stratocumulus clouds are the ones that are called Jacob's Ladder. And the difference between the two is in the stratocumulus clouds, the light shines down through the holes in the cloud, versus in the cumulus cloud, as you can see here, it shines from behind the cloud. So it gives like a very different look. So it shines from above versus behind. And then, so just some of the in-depth things about crepuscular rays in general is that the light rays are parallel, even though it doesn't seem like it. From this picture here, as you can see, it's kind of the same type of visual thing as railroads. So railroads are parallel, as you can see here, but they don't look it. It's just like a weird visual thing that happens all the time. And it's the same type of light scattering that happens in sunrises and sunsets so the blue light is scattered and then only the red and yellow light is left. And it's scattered because of molecules, like little air molecules, water droplets, and haze. So they can happen at sunrise and sunset, but not necessarily. And then, so the big thing that Jacob's Ladder does is it helps us distinguish between stratus and stratocumulus clouds. So in these two pictures, they look pretty different, but in general, it's really hard to tell the difference between the two. So stratus clouds are like sheet-like, uniform, and they're indicators of bad weather. And while the stratocumulus clouds have openings where you can see the blue sky ahead, or more usually in Jacob's Ladder, the light above. And so the stratus clouds suggest stormy weather, and so you should probably watch out, be careful. And then the stratocumulus clouds are remnants of low pressure systems, and it's like the leftover moisture from the low pressure system that just moved through. And the high pressure moving through keeps the clouds from rising, which creates the sheet-like type cloud. And it becomes the flattened layers, and then it ends up looking like the stratus, which is where all the confusion comes from. And there's very rarely precipitation. So the big difference between stratocumulus and stratus clouds is that one, stratocumulus, does not have precipitation or bad weather, while the stratus clouds do. So how we use Jacob's Ladder is that it's the big indicator between the stratus and stratocumulus. So Jacob's Ladder just shows the difference because, one, it's the big indicator because they look so similar. In the pictures here from my previous slides, it's pretty obvious the difference, but in reality, it's not always that clear. So yeah, I'm Grace, and this has been Jacob's Ladder.